So after checking and checking again everything, I managed to find out what was that rattling noise was. And as you can see, without load over here everything looks fine, but as soon as I grab the wheel and put some load, check the motor. I don't know if you can see it, that is going up and down, and all of that comes from over here, from that drive cap. But we're not done yet. Let me show you what I mean, because the damage is not only here. Well, I just removed the two pins, you know, that pretty much secure that thing. And now check over here. I don't know if you can see it on camera, but that small shaft over there is bent. So, and after some more checking, I know that the bearing that holds that, it went bad. And it went bad because of that up and down motion. Good news, I have all the parts to fix it. Bad news, I'm feeling kind of lazy, and as for today, it took me maybe the whole night yesterday and the whole morning today to figure out what was that rattling. I went through all differential gearboxes, front differential, everything is perfect. And then my eye went over there on the drive cap. That was a small knot, but I'm like, you know, it happens in the past and it wasn't rattling. I guess I was wrong. So, yep, definitely until the next adventure is gonna be ready. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.